good morning. This is Brian Schumann coming to you from Transwest Truck, Trailer, and RV for another video review of another coach we have. This is a 2023 Tiffin Open Road Allegro 34 PA. And this is probably one of Tiffin's best floor plans for a gas coach. It's built on the 7.3 liter Ford F53 chassis. So you get about 460 pounds of torque, plenty of pulling power to pull a car, Jeep behind you, and have a nice floor plan that really lends itself to a lot of easy living. And I'm looking forward to showing you that. So just coming up in the front, and we look in the cab area, you've got kind of a smart wheel, you've got your generator hours, you've got your hydraulic leveling system, electronic leveling system, I'm sorry. You do have in-dash navigation, your cup holders, you have a nice table that'll fold out for the passenger seat, and a front TV. So when you're watching different games, you can have a different TV watching a different show. And notice you've got an electronic bunk bed overhead, which again, very simple to operate. And quiet, smooth, and efficient. And clearly enough for one person. I would not put two people up here, but definitely a nice place to put one person. Or you could take the mattress out and bring it up and use it for storage. Okay, so in this 34 PA, this is a full white mahogany exterior paint job on it. It's the Alpaca brown ultra leather interior design with a Moondance Interior colors, just so you know the references of what it is. And you can see it's kind of an off-white, and it's a matte finish with a nice kind of a tan, like it says Alpaca ultra leather finish, which is really comfortable. This particular couch folds out to a bed. Then you've got a recliner right next to it. Notice you have cup holders, so ease of function and just, you know, having some of your utilities here. Here's charging ports and your armrests. So a lot of things that just make it very, very comfortable to relax in your coach. On your dinette, this will fold down to be a table. And again, the same kind of material and fabric on here makes it very, very comfortable. As we move back, you've got your TV and you got your fireplace. So for your viewing pleasure, not only do you have the TV, but you have a nice sound bar, so you get a good rich sound inside this coach. As we come back, you notice you've got charging ports for the kitchen. You have a gas range and an oven. You have plenty of storage and soft closed doors, both above and below. And even have it signed by Mr. Bob and Judy Tiffin, just so you know you're getting a personalized coach. Microwave convection, ample size 2-sink kitchen appliance. Your kitchen window, which lets in a lot of light. I like your backsplash tile, matches really, really well with the wall. And your backsplash from your gas range is nice, and then you can put it out of the way, use it for cutting and preparation. You have two air conditioners, one 13.5 and one 15 kW on this. You have a 7 kilowatt Onan Generator, so you got plenty of power. What's neat about this 34 PA, in addition to the central vac, as I noticed, you have 4 slides. And it is tight. When this slide comes in here, you really can't get to the fridge. It's tough to open it up, but you can get to your bathroom. And what I like to see is I'm going to have Katie walk through the bath, because you literally can walk in and out and through it. There's ways you can get into the bathroom and back out here and back through this way, and which you can block off both ways. You can block this off, but the bathroom is central in the coach. I apologize for that. Sorry about that interruption. I had a phone call and a lead, and it was not on this coach, but then again, it could be you calling on the coach. So please give us a call anytime. My contact information is always on the link to the videos that we do. So here we are in the master bedroom, picking up where we left off with a king bed. Beautiful reading lights, nice headboard, side windows. I have the shades up so you can see that you get some fresh air in the master bedroom. And what I like too is you have reading lights up here also. And even on top, you have power both here and in the other far cabinet which is kind of nice. So if you had a machine up here and you needed power to plug in, you could do that. So that was smart of Tiffin to do that. You have your TV, huge drawers, lots of wardrobe and hanging space with light that automatically lights up when you open the door. The mirrors make the bedroom seem a lot larger, but again, lots of storage for the dresser space. Again, back to the fact that this 34PA is such a popular model, and I think that's one more attribute that lends itself to its likeness and commonality. Additional storage underneath the bed, and that could be for linens, it could be for other clothing, things like this that you're not using every day. Notice you have charging ports on both bedstands and power up along the side also. So again, lots of capabilities for your electronic devices. Ceiling fan, soft touch ceiling, vented air conditioning all the way throughout the coach, as well as ducted heat. The 34PA, again with the gas powered, runs great. It's quiet. They've done a great job with insulation, so it's not that loud at all. You have a residential refrigerator. So looking at everything in this coach, the usability, the location of the furniture, the fact that you've got a lounge chair, you've got a nice couch that'll make into a bed, that with the front seats that turn around, you're going to have a nice living room for lots of people to enjoy your camping experience. So give me a call at Transwest, and I'll tell you more about this coach, send you the build sheet, and do my best to help you with any other additional questions you have. Again, Brian Schumann here at Transwest. Appreciate you watching, and safe travels as always. Thanks.